This is Ken, K-E-N, Kilo Charlie 9 Quebec Victor in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, preparing this recording for demo on the Southern Tier DMR net tonight. I'm going to go through the process of setting up a ClearNode to log into the Brandmeister node for tonight's net. So here we go. I have an app in the upper left-hand corner on my phone. It's called ClearNode. And this app is provided by the manufacturer of the ClearNode. It is available for both Android and iOS systems. So if I tap on the ClearNode app, there's one tap. It's going to come back and show me that I have two nodes out there, and I do. I have 410303, which is in fact a ClearNode. And I have 410304, which is in fact a ClearZero. Both of these devices are made by the same outfit. It's called nodeventures.com. And so you can go there to look up any particulars that you might be interested in. The 303 is what I'm going to go to now to connect up with the talk group for the net tonight. So I'm going to tap on 410303. Hopefully. There we go. And it pops up a screen here that's showing you all kinds of stuff. There's a MAC address and LPI, IP address, etc., etc. Tells me the CPU is running 140 degrees and so on and so forth. So I want to add a connection. When I add a connection, I can add a AllStar connection, which is analog, and I could do that on several different things. And you see I got a local repeater here, another local repeater here, another node that I have, another node I have here. This is the weekly net for ClearNodes, which is based out of California. Here's one to a friend of mine in Alaska. Can get there. And so on. Okay, but tonight I don't want to do AllStar, I want to do digital. So I'm going to tap on digital. And here's a whole bunch of digital talk groups. Right now, I'm going to tap on the 1, 2, 3, fourth one down. Talk group 31367, Southern Tier, New York. Tap on that. Oh, boom, popped right up here, just like that. So now my ClearNode, which is sitting here with me, is connected to the Southern Tier New York talk group. And we're ready to communicate. However, how do we do that? Well, I have my HT sitting here, and I have it, I got to turn it on, but I have it programmed to talk on a simplex frequency to the ClearNode. The ClearNode has a simplex repeater, if you want to call it that, in it, and I have it all set up to talk to me back and forth. And if I key my HT here now, you should see things change on this app on my phone. So here we go, 1, 2, 3. There you go. See, we're up and running, and it says configure, but it's already configured, so I don't have to worry about it. And now if I let loose with a PTT, it came back with a doop doop. So now I'm going to, just to do a check here, and hopefully you can hear this, I'm going to interrogate that ClearNode with a couple of DTMFs here.
Node 410303, node 1999, transceiver.
So there, as you can see, by doing a couple of DTMF tones on my HT to interrogate the ClearNode, it came back and told me that the ClearNode was connected to your talk group in a mode of transceiver. So good to go and carry on a conversation. And that's about all there is to setting up the ClearNode and being able to talk to it. Now that was on digital. I can also do the same thing on analog. And if I go back up a screen here and go back to 41303 or 410303. Do that. I'm going to disconnect, or I don't have to disconnect. I'm going to go ahead and say add a connection. I want to add another connection. And I want to add an AllStar connection. I'm going to connect up to 410305. Do I want to do that? Yeah, 410305, which is another AllStar node of mine. I'm going to do that. The first thing it did was disconnect
Node
the
4,
digital
1, 0,
that I had set up to you
0,
guys,
5,
and is now connected up
Node
to
4,
my analog
1, 0, 3,
AllStar.
0, 3.
This is a prevention within the setup for these ClearNodes that it automatically does a disconnect before it does another connect. That way you're not going to wind up with a circular connection, which is a good thing. It's a special checkbox in the setup of the thing, and if you don't set it up, you could have multiple nodes all connected simultaneously, which we found not to be a good thing because you forget about it and then you wind up with these circular things. Okay, I'm going to terminate this recording, and hopefully it's been enjoyable and prompted a lot of questions. KC9QB saying 7-3.